Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone screen won't rotate. So we're gonna have three simple ways that you can do that. One of them is going to turn off the portrait orientation lock, and if that didn't work, we're gonna have a second way, which is sometimes the apps can provide this feature of rotating your screen horizontally. So sometimes the apps provide an update so they can rotate your screen into a full screen. So the only way to do that is by checking the App Store, and we're gonna click on your avatar icon above, and you're gonna see the most recent update or most recent apps that they have updates for. So if your app that if your app that you're having problem is rotating the iPhone screen, you're just gonna have to click on that particular app and you're gonna update it, and hopefully that will work. But the last thing that I want to say is sometimes the app can't be updated until you update your phone. So if your iPhone needed to be updated, you need to check on your about your software update right here, and you need to check if your phone is updated to the last version of it, so you can update the app. Hence you can see more feature, and hopefully your iPhone screen will horizontally rotate on this particular app. So that wraps it up. That three simple methods that you can fix this problem. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow on it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.